Hi, welcome back. A few of my audience asked if English is the official language in Singapore. The answer is yes. But the pronunciation in Singapore is very different from the US. At the beginning, Koala found it very confusing, but later on, Koala actually found it very intriguing and wanted to learn more. Today, let me show you the differences of Singlish and English pronunciation and let you become Singaporean in 1 minute. Number 1. Hey, what's your favorite food? I like air balloon. Air balloon? What kind of food is that? That one in the sea, you don't know meh? Not really. This one lah, air balloon. Oh, air balloony. Air balloony. Air balloon. Number 2. Hey waiter, no lettuce in this dish. Why ah? Hi madam, what kind of lettuce are you referring to? Lettuce, the veggie. Oh, okay, lettuce. I'll get the chef add some more for you. Lettuce, lettuce. Number 3. Hey Koala, I want to buy some salmon in supermarket today. You want to go together? What's salmon? You want to hire a salesman from supermarket? No lah, the fish, salmon. Oh, salmon, like tuna salmon. Yeah lah, salmon. Salmon. Number 4. Hello everybody, let's order some pizza. Oh, you mean pizza? Which place do you want to order from? Pizza, pizza. Number 5. Hey, try. This chip is so good, so crispy. Excuse me, what's crispy? Like this. Oh, you mean crispy? Yeah lah. Crispy, crispy. Number 6. Hi Koala, next time you come back to Singapore from US, can you bring me the duty-free cigarette? Sorry, what is cigarette? Let me show you the picture. Cigarette. Cigarette. Number 7. Koala, don't eat so much noodle lah. It's made of flour, bad for you. Excuse me, what is flour? You know the white flour powder? Oh, okay, the flour? Yeah lah. Flour, flour. Number 8. Hey, there's a new shop just opened downstairs. Really good Nasi Lemak. Oh, are you sure? I only see a Nasi Lemak downstairs. There's another Nasi Lemak? Same one lah. Let's go. Nasi Lemak, Nasi Lemak. Number 9. Hey Koala, is something went bad in the fridge? Very smelly. Sorry, maybe it's the durian I bought yesterday. Is it really that smelly? Smelly, smelly. Number 10. Wow, this restaurant is so good. You ate there before? Of course I ate that burger. Shock. Ate. Hope you like this video, and with this, you can better communicate with the Singaporean in your country or next time you travel to Singapore. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe and check out my new Maui Hawaii video. And I also want to invite you to join my Instagram, podcast, and Patreon communities. That would be a great support to my channel. See you next time. I miss Singapore. I miss tropical weather. I miss flip-flops. I miss island life.